What is up, guys? It's Chris of Everydaychris, and welcome back to an episode of Quick Tips with Chris. Today it's all about flat tires. As you know, most EV vehicles don't include a spare tire to save on weight, therefore increasing your range. But what happens if you have a flat tire? Now, right away, pick up some Tesla jack pads or hockey pucks. These are completely necessary and needed if some random shop wants to jack up your car to change your tire. Without it, they could potentially damage the battery as there are no traditional mounting points like regular cars. A lot of shops these days, however, like Costco, do have the Tesla mounts. However, it's always a good idea to have them just in case. Next, the beauty with Tesla is their warranty, which is 50,000 miles or 4 years. This means if you ever get a flat tire, you could just simply pull up your app, go to roadside and check flat tire. Tesla roadside comes to you, changes the flat tire, or tows you up to 50 miles, which is awesome. So again, I'll make sure I reiterate this point again, make sure you guys get the hockey pucks. Now, if you're stranded and a tow truck can't come, because you don't have a spare tire and a jack, you can't lift the car up. The only other solution is this: a tire plug kit and slime. With tire plug kits, you can look up how to use it online, but if you can easily access the nail or screw that caused the flat tire in the first place, you can simply remove it, use these black plugs to plug the tire, fill up with air, and you'll be on your way. However, if the nail isn't in a good spot to remove, the only other way is to use slime to try and fill the hole and continue on your journey. In a perfect world, we tow our car to Costco, have them remove the tire, plug the tire, and be on our way. But again, we always want to prepare for an emergency, especially because we don't have a spare tire. So having all these emergency tools in our trunk is super important to avoid being stranded. Anyways, I hope this video, guys, helped you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.